Hello and welcome. My name is Martinez-McGraw. This is my EDL 852. I actually had previously recorded this and it messed up by saving, so I'm hoping that the second time go around is better. So a little bit about me. Many kids grow up dreaming to become a professional football player, singer, actress, race car driver, astronaut, etc. But not me. All throughout my life, I always knew that I was going to be a special education teacher. It started when I was 10 years old. My cousin had a traumatic brain injury to where it affected him negatively for the rest of his life, and he's still living like that to this day. So people with special needs have always had a major impact on my life. I attended Public South High School, class of 2011. I played basketball and baseball for the school, and football my freshman year, but basketball and baseball primarily. I was able to go on to play college baseball at Otero Junior College, where I got my Associates of Arts and also met my wife. I had the privilege to keep playing baseball at the Division I level at Lipscomb University, which is located in Nashville, Tennessee. I was able to graduate cum laude with a bachelor's in psychology. I was wanting to major in education, but back then to be NCAA eligible, there was a certain criteria you had to meet with your credits, and since I went to junior college out of high school, I didn't have the education, so basically I had a major in psychology. I had opportunities to go play professionally out of college, but I decided to give that up and pursue my dream of becoming a special education teacher. Out of college, I did get a job back here with Goal Academy. I was actually commuting 45 minutes a day to Colorado Springs, which is, like I said, 45 minutes north of us, as a special education teacher while I was working on my alternative licensing in special education. I then was at Goal Academy for 9 months. I wasn't too happy about it. The commute, I loved my job. I wasn't too happy about the commute every day. And I also got a baseball coaching job here in town, so it didn't make sense to drive up there and drive back home, so on and so forth. So I got a job within our school district here, currently at Pueblo City Schools, School District 60, at Dutch Clark Digital, which is under Paragon Learning Center. Paragon Learning Center is the school. Dutch Clark Digital is kind of the pathway that we serve. It's an alternative high school. I've been here for 8 years. The building's been open for 9 years. I've coached basketball and baseball. I coached basketball and softball. I coached baseball and softball. I coached basketball. I had to give that up to finish up my master's a couple years ago. I enjoy coming to work every day, seeing all my students. While being employed at Paragon, I've had the opportunity to experience many different administrative roles, which have been like the school assessment coordinator, the school accommodations coordinator, member of the building leadership team, department chair. These are all kind of furthered my passion to become a school administrator. I actually grew up, my mom was an administrator, and so was my grandfather, so it's always kind of been in my family. Analysis of some of the research and resources I've looked into. A mission statement. What is it? It's a statement that clearly states the purpose of the organization or school. Mission statement has a purpose and easy to understand. The elements of every school district mission statement should have are the name of the school or school district, beliefs and values of your school community, steps you're taking to achieve the long-term goal, establishing your vision, and the component of your school community that makes it unique. So, I won't read this all word for word, but a statement of the organization wants to establish that they are meeting their mission. There's research that includes beliefs, morals, and values. A really cool thing I saw is called a SMART model. It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. So specific is when it comes to setting a goal, your worst enemy is vagueness. Make sure everything is measurable. Make sure everything is achievable and can be accomplished easily. It needs to be relevant and aligned with one goal for your school district. Then you know why that goal is important to achieve. And time-based. It did cut off. Let me see if I could drag this down to kind of, maybe not. If you don't want your students and parents and educators to forget about your vision and mission days after you create it, give them a specific time frame in which they have to achieve the goals set within the statement. So some of the importance of the vision and mission statements: provide a focus of the school organization, communicate the values and goals of the school's organization, build community relationships, and also have results. Results are always very important. Core set of values. Core values are help communicate your school story, its mission, standards, desired outcomes. Core values are not aspirations. They are not self-congratulatory, which a lot of people do get caught up in. They are practical. So some of the processes: cast the vision, implement the vision, communicate and brand the vision, and most importantly, sustain the vision. So continuous improvement is always going on in the world, especially in education, as we all know. Research showed that most approaches have already been proven successful in fields such as healthcare, manufacturing, and technology. There are multiple continuous improvement models, but the most important one, I've heard of it before, but I was able to dive deeper into it, was the Plan, Do, Study Act, or the PDSA. The plan is a continuous improvement team studies a problem that needs to be solved, collects baseline data on that problem, elaborates potential solutions to that problem, and develops an action plan. The Do, the team implements the action plan and collects data on its intervention and records development. The Study, the team gauges the success of the intervention by comparing baseline and new data, analyzes results, and documents lessons learned. And the Act, the team determines what to do with its results depending on the success of its intervention. The team may choose to adopt, adapt, or abandon its tested solution. So about Dutch Clark Digital, where I work, our mission is to engage and empower students through a customized education that leads to a life of purpose and impact. Our vision is to become a dynamic school that supports student success through diverse learning experiences and authentic community partnerships. And our core values believe that student social and emotional well-being is vital to their academic success. Positive and committed staff develop positive and healthy students. Customized learning experience drives dynamic and powerful teaching, removes barriers for families, and builds bridges to community. And the last one, online learning, gives students space to innovate, accelerate, and thrive. So some of the relevance to that, our mission, vision, and core value statements are very relevant to what our school offers. We are an alternative high school that works online, so we do have a lot of online students. Students do come in, but they're not on a bell-to-bell schedule. We have students who are parents, who are homeless, in the judicial system, and also full-time employees at a job. We offer many different learning opportunities and allow students' schedules to be flexible and diverse. We're almost like kind of life coaches to them. We're not as much teachers. I mean, we do teach the content, but a lot of our students call us on first-name basis. They've never been in a school system like we have. A lot of our students that don't make it at our 4 traditional high schools in our city end up making it here because we're just so flexible and diverse and equitable to our students. So some of the continuous improvement here at Dutch Clark, we do strive for continuous improvement each and every day. We're always adapting to new technology, being an online high school, for our curriculum, as well as looking at data every single day. We do make our school very equitable and serve a very diverse population. We have strong community partnerships and support. Some concluding statements. This was very aligned to the correlation. Standard correlation has allowed me to collaboratively evaluate, develop, and communicate school mission and vision designed to reflect a core set of values and priorities that include data use, technology, equity, diversity, digital citizenship, and community. This has definitely helped me as a building leader in the future. I also learned how important that a mission, vision, and core values are, and be able to compose them and communicate the importance to them with the staff as a future building leader. And then also a big thing that I was able to do is kind of dive deeper in, and also this would make it easier when hiring new staff as a future building leader. Making sure that they could uphold the mission and vision statements will help me, kind of weed out the ones that would not, and also help me be able to pick good candidates for the jobs. I also believe that within our school, this can help me reevaluate our mission, vision, and core values that our school does offer if they ever become irrelevant to what our school has. And it also allowed me just to be a voice within our school. That's it for my presentation. I appreciate you guys listening. These are my references. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful rest of your day.